Welcome to the Lucky Kitchen. Today we're going to demonstrate how to make hazelnut chocolate Christmas trees. We're using lucky hazelnut meal and we'll be decorating the trees at the end with hazelnuts and pistachios and a little bit more lucky hazelnut meal. This is what you'll need for the ingredients. 125 grams of unsalted butter softened, 125 grams of brown sugar, 1 egg, 60 grams of honey, 300 grams of plain flour, 30 grams of Dutch cocoa, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, and 75 grams of lucky hazelnut meal. Now might be a good time to pause and write down the ingredients. You'll also need some star-shaped cookie cutters in descending order from 9 centimetres, 7 centimetres, 5 centimetres and 2.5 centimetres. Line 3 baking trays with baking paper. Beat the butter and sugar together in a bowl with electric beaters until the mixture is pale and creamy. Add the egg and continue to beat until well combined. Add the honey now and mix until just combined. Sift the flour, cocoa, baking powder, bicarbonate of soda and the mixed spices over the mixture. Then sprinkle over the hazelnut meal. Use a wooden spoon to stir until the mixture is combined and forms a dough. Turn the dough out onto your work surface and flatten it into a disc shape. Cover in plastic wrap and refrigerate this for 30 minutes. Remove from the fridge and unwrap. Cut 2 sheets of baking paper. Roll the dough between the 2 sheets of baking paper to a 5mm thickness. Roll in both directions to create a round shape. This may take some time. To make 3 trees, cut out 9 stars each from the 9cm, 7cm, 5cm star-shaped cutters. Cut out only 3 of the 2.5cm stars. Place the 9cm stars on one baking tray. Re-roll any leftover pastry and cut out extra star shapes as you need them. Think about how to best fit your cookie cutters with each roll of the dough to cut down on how many re-rolls you will need to make. Place the 2 middle-sized, i.e. the 5cm and 7cm stars, on another tray, and the smaller 2.5cm stars on the third tray. Refrigerate for 20 minutes. Now it's a good time to preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Once the stars have been in the fridge for 20 minutes, put them in the oven. Bake the larger 9cm stars for 10 minutes, the 5cm and 7cm stars for 8 minutes, and the mini 2.5cm stars for 5 minutes. Cool on trays for 5 minutes and then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. To make the royal icing, you will need 150 grams of pure icing sugar, 1 egg white, and 1/4 teaspoon of lemon juice. Sift the icing sugar into a bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk the egg white using either a whisk or electric beaters until it's soft and foamy. While continuously whisking, add the lemon juice, then add the icing sugar 1 tablespoon at a time until it's all mixed in and soft peaks form. Spoon the icing mixture into a Ziploc bag. Squeeze out any excess air and seal the bag closed. Refrigerate the bag of icing until it's ready to use. The icing done this way will keep for 24 hours. When you're ready to use it, snip a small hole about 2mm wide in a corner of the bag. Gently squeeze the icing towards the hole and pipe as required for assembling the tree. Now remember, we have made enough stars to make 3 trees. To assemble a tree, dab a teaspoonful of icing on the base of a flat serving plate or board. Place a large 9cm star over the icing to secure in place. Pipe a circle of icing in the centre of the 9cm star, then place a second 9cm star on top, making sure that the star points are in different directions to the points on the biscuit below. Repeat this step with the third 9cm star. Using the next smaller 7cm star biscuit, repeat the layering steps with the icing, and then repeat again with the next 3 smaller 5cm star biscuits. Dab a little icing on the base of a mini 2.5cm star and secure on the top of the tree. Pipe drips of the remaining icing over the edges of the star points to represent snow. Lightly sprinkle hazelnut meal over the trees and scatter pistachios and hazelnuts around to decorate. These make a fabulous edible centrepiece for the Christmas table, or you can give them as gifts to someone special. Anyone will be really impressed.